Hi everybody, this is Eric Schoening with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City. This will be a short briefing about a winter storm that will impact Utah and southwest Wyoming Friday afternoon through Saturday. The main thing we want to emphasize with this storm is that it is expected to bring travel impacts to much of the state as snow accumulates on roadways. This will cause periods of difficult travel, especially late Friday through Saturday. As always, we have coordinated this forecast with the Utah Department of Transportation, and visiting UDOT's website will be the best way to keep up to date with road forecasts and conditions through the event. Let's talk briefly about timing for this cold front. Precipitation in valley locations may briefly start as rain with this front, but should switch over to snow fairly quickly, especially as the front strengthens. The cold front will enter northern Utah late Friday morning, but will be fairly unorganized until it gets to Davis and Weber counties mid-Friday afternoon. It will then slide into Salt Lake County for the latter half of the afternoon commute, and then push through Utah County and Uintah County, Wyoming through the evening hours. Finally, the front will really strengthen and intensify as it moves through Utah County southward into central and southern Utah, bringing heavy snow to that area Friday night into Saturday morning. As we said before, road impacts are the primary concern during this event. For the Friday afternoon commute, road snow is possible across northern Utah, with snow expected to spread into Salt Lake County during the latter half of the commute. The front continues to strengthen and move southward through Friday evening, and that is where we could really see some significant impacts. All major routes between Salt Lake City and Cedar City could have significant road snow starting Friday evening and potentially continuing through the day Saturday. This especially includes the I-15 corridor, Salt Lake County south to Cedar City, and Parley Summit along Interstate 80. Again, please pay close attention to road conditions and forecasts if you're planning on doing any travel Friday night and Saturday across central and southern portions of Utah as well as into Wyoming. Of course, everyone wants to know how much snow you can expect from this storm. As we said, the storm will be weaker when it crosses far northern Utah, so the northern mountains and valleys will have lower amounts than when you get into central and southwest Utah. The largest amounts are expected from Utah County southward into Cedar City, with 6 to 12 inches possible along I-15 through central and southwest Utah. A couple other places of note include 2 to 4 inches in the Salt Lake Valley, 3 to 7 inches in Utah County, and also 3 to 7 inches in the Wasatch Mountain Valleys, which are hard to resolve size-wise on this map. This 3 to 7 inch mountain valley forecast includes Park City. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.